Hello students, so today we will discuss the unit 2 topic, that is SCI CMMM, that stands for Software Engineering Institute Capability Maturity Model. So it has been developed by the Software Engineering Institute at Carnegie Mellon University in 1987. So this is the just information about this. So let's come to the concept, that is that this is not a process model. Must remember this thing. This is the main thing here, that CMM, it's not a process model. अभी तक in unit 1 whatever model we have studied, like waterfall model and spiral model, prototype model, iterative enhancement model and so on, they all are process model. Means with the help of those models we are developing the software, we are developing the particular product. ठीक है, but with the help of this we are actually examining the software product. We are just examine the maturity of the software product, means how mature is our product or not, and how we can enhance our product, as we have already studied in the characteristics of the softwares, that software doesn't wear out. So after a time, so we need to do some changes into this. So we are just applying all these changes. Means with the help of CMM we are just examining the maturity of our product, and if there is any need for any change or any enhancement, so we'll just do it. Okay. So main thing is that this is not a process model. So there are certain levels of maturity that we check. So there are basically 5 levels here. These are defined here. First is initial, next is repeatable, third is defined, fourth managed, and fifth is optimizing. Means we are having a product already in use, so over a time we need to change in this. This is like examples, like this like you can say Windows. So it is start from the Windows 95 and now we are working on a Windows 10 and many more versions can come. Okay, likewise. So if versions are that when we do some minor changes, so we just need to update our software, like we are also doing, like update, if update is available we just update it. So when we are doing major changes, then particular company or organization release the versions of the software, likewise. So for that purpose we need to do a maturity test that has been done by the CMM. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट इज दैट इनिशियल लेवल पे क्या होगा, लाइक वी हैव जस्ट started to study the software or to start the examine. So exactly must remember all these things. Now we don't have a control over the process, now we don't have the control over the product, and process are still unpredictable. So that is written in short here, means process are unpredictable here and poorly controlled. Next is repeatable. ठीक है, means here we have here in this process we have defined, or we have studied the project and we have defined where we need to change or where we need to enhance. So at this point of time, okay, means we have examined all the characteristics of the software project, and in defined phase means we are doing the changes, we are tailoring the things, means we update the things. ठीक है, मीन्स द चेंजेस वी हैव ऑफर्ड, द चेंजेस वी हैव डन, वी हैव एज्यूम्ड, और यू कैन से एग्जामिन. ठीक है, किस ये चेंजेस होने चाहिए. सो वी आर डूइंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स. दिस इज मेंशन हियर दैट वी आर परफॉर्मिंग टेलरिंग, मीन्स वी आर चेंजिंग द इन द सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोडक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज मैनेज एज द नेम स्पेसिफाइड. नाउ you can just reverse this particular process, just reverse of that particular process. Means what are the things we don't have at the initial phase, we have all these things. Means managed means we are managing everything in a matter way. Process are measured, that we are saying process are unpredictable. Now we know process how to execute and how much time a particular process needs to take. Means everything about a process, who will process it, means it's all about a process. Means process are measured now and controlled. ठीक है. So for remembering, just remember the things we mention here, just make it positive. In manage, optimizing, name specify, focus on process improvement, means optimizing the things. We have done the changes, we measure the process, we have proper control on the software process. the concept is that if we improve the process, the product must be of good quality. Means if the process of developing a process is good, then process must be good. So now let's discuss in detail. So as we are saying that we have a poor control on the processes in the initial phase. So this is mentioned here also, that processes are ad hoc and immature, and they are working in an unstable environment. Next, is repeatable. Focus on establishing basic project management policies. Experience with their early project is used for managing new similar nature projects. So basically इसमें what means, we have established means we have examined where we are going to change. Means we have just decided these are the changes that we need to perform. Means here we have studied the project. Third is defined phase. Okay. In this phase we are doing the tailoring, means we are performing the changes, we are performing the documentation, guideline, procedure, all these things we are doing in this phase. Level 4, that is managed, means now all the process we have achieved quantitative qualitative goals here. Means we are improving on the quality of the software product, and you can say we measure each and every process and we have a good control over it. Next, the last one is fifth is optimizing. So we just improve the process, means we are just improving. Means if it is taking 2 months, or you can say, for an example, it is taking 2 months to develop any product, so can we reduce it by a week, likewise. Okay. So in optimizing phase we are just optimizing the things, that is could be a tool, techniques, or the process. Okay, everything, means we are trying to optimize the things here. So this is about the SCI CMM model. Okay. So must remember the basic concept is this is not a development process. Clear? This is not a process development model. Means this is not for the development, it is for to examine the maturity of the software product. Must remember this point, and these are all 5 stages that we have discussed. This is all about this.